Discover the versatility of the SEBO Airbelt E2 Turbo with attachments that enhance every aspect of your cleaning routine. Turbo Carpet Tool. The air-driven turbo head features a rotating brush, perfect for deep cleaning, low-pile carpets, while gently caring for delicate rugs. SEBO Parquet Brush. Glide effortlessly over hard floors with the SEBO Parquet Brush. Its soft bristles and swivel neck ensure a gentle yet effective clean on wood, tile, and laminate. SEBO Dusting Brush. Ideal for light dusting, the SEBO dusting brush's soft bristles and triangular shape delicately clean sensitive surfaces like lampshades and curtains. SEBO Upholstery Tool offers precise cleaning for furniture, curtains, and car interiors, reaching those hard-to-access areas with ease. SEBO Crevice Tool. The SEBO Crevice Tool excels at reaching deep into narrow gaps, ensuring every corner is impeccably clean. These attachments, paired with the SEBO Airbelt E2 Turbo, deliver a complete and refined cleaning solution for your home.